Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I want to teach you a method to make money online. And no, you don't need to be an expert at anything. You don't need to have your own online course, and you don't even need to have a website. All you do need to have is a bit of desire, which you probably have, some step-by-step directions, which I'm about to give you, and the willingness to put in the work. Now the last part's important. Look, I've always tried to be clear on this channel that if you want to make money online and ultimately make your online business your full-time source of income, there isn't a single method out there that can be done ethically and consistently if you don't put in the work. Now, that being said, here's what's special about the method I'm going to teach you today. See, a lot of people think that in order to make money online or become wealthy like those gurus or consultants that you see in their news feed, they've got to have some kind of program or course to promote. And creating a course takes a lot of time, money, energy, and ability. But what if I were to tell you that you could earn this kind of money these gurus make by leveraging their skills and expertise? See, there's a backdoor method that allows you to plug yourself into their business and make money when they make money. I'm going to break down exactly how to do it step by step on today's training. But first, if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for dropping by. My goal on this channel is to share legit, honest strategies to make money online. I create new videos regularly, so you don't want to miss out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you like, you see what in today's video, do a small favor and click the like button. Okay, so let's dive in. Step one is to find an expert you really like and partner with them. Maybe you're not a stock marketing expert or a digital marketing whiz or a fitness consultant. You don't have to be. There are plenty of experts out there that have already built courses that allow you to partner with them. Now, what does it mean to partner? Partnering is when you team up with one of these experts and promote their products as an affiliate. Let's say that you bought a course that taught you how to lose weight on a keto diet. Well, the chances are the creators of that course will most likely give you a special link that you can give someone that's looking for some way to lose weight. And when that person clicks on your link and buys the product, you get a commission on that sale. Pretty cool, right? You've literally made money on an online course without being an expert or having a course that you've created yourself. Now, there's two ways to go about this. The first is you can simply email the course creator or coach and ask if they have a partner program. But you can also try going to a website called clickbank.com. ClickBank sells a few physical products, but they primarily sell digital courses in just about any niche you can think of. So there's cooking classes, courses that teach you how to speak other languages, stock trading, digital marketing, the list goes on. And when you create an account with ClickBank, you'll have access to promote any one of those courses completely free. Now, step two is to buy the course and then tell others about it. Okay, people do skip this step, and I'll never understand why. If you're going to promote something long-term, I highly recommend buying it yourself, checking it out, and testing it. Especially if you're a beginner. Trust me, it makes a big difference when you're telling others about a course if you know what's inside and you can vouch for it. It makes promoting the program so much easier. Why? Because if you've been through the course and can vouch for it, then all you really need to do is post about it on your Facebook profile or Twitter or even Pinterest. All you have to do is say, hey, this worked for me, and it's worked for other people too. You want to try it out, take a look. Here's a link. Just when you're getting started though, make sure it's not complicated. Doesn't need to be any more complicated than it needs to be. Yes, I ultimately recommend building an email list, running ads, and all this stuff in the future. And I have videos on this channel that will teach you how to do that. But I want you to get comfortable in just finding a product you believe in, talking about it and making your first sale online. Simple as that. The next thing you could do would be to create a review on YouTube. And once you've posted about it on your social media profile and shared it with your friends, it's time to make your first review. This doesn't have to be hard. Just come up with a simple outline that shares what the course is about, what your results have been, and if you recommend it. People are naturally looking for a product or course reviews on YouTube, so this is a super easy way to get fast traffic to your link for free. So that's my super simple method to making money online without any skills. It's by leveraging the skills of others and their courses, and you can find those anywhere out there. And if you're reading this and thinking you'd like to find a partner program like the one I've mentioned above, I want to invite you to click on the link in the description to check out a partner program that I recently went through. It's perfect for beginners and includes everything: a private Facebook group, live weekly trainings, step-by-step tutorials, Plus, you'll receive done-for-you sales funnels and email marketing sequences. It's a no-brainer if you're just getting started or haven't seen the success you want to yet. And when you click on the link below, I think you're going to be really surprised at the cost of the entire package. So go ahead and click on the link below. And before you leave, I wanted to say thank you for checking out today's video. If you don't want to miss out on future video trainings, again, please hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like today's video, also hit the like button. I'll see you next time.